I've built a live agent using just Airtable and voiceflow. Most live chat solutions involve complex integrations or paid services. But what if we could use tools we already have? That's exactly what I did with this project. Let me walk you through how it works and show you the build in action. So now let me show you how user 1 interacts with our live agent. My package hasn't arrived yet. The message gets sent to our live agent. What is the package ID number? And we copy the message and paste it in here. We do that because if the user clicks on the refresh button while our live agent is still typing, the user might get only half of the message. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the package will arrive tomorrow. Copy and paste. Refresh. And again, refresh. Okay. You might be wondering what if there are more than one users typing in the chat? Wouldn't that mix the messages? No, because we are using the user ID and also we are extracting with each API connection the record ID from Airtable. And also a user ID is sorted out alphabetically. So let me show you when user 2 is typing. I lost my dog, Pluto on vacation. The message is here with a unique user ID. Okay, hello. Before we do that, what if user 1 types something? Wait, can you send me a link to track my package? The message is right here. Okay, so I lost my dog Pluto on vacation. Hello from Intergalactic Animal Finder. Your dog is probably on planet X. Like this. And this one is please send your retrieval team ASAP. And then there is a message. Here is the user ID. Let me show you now the whole build. So it's not a huge build, but there are a few things that might be worth explaining. I won't be explaining the basic stuff. So when the user sends a message, it gets sent via post request to Airtable. The body contains what the user sends, the user ID and also the user last utterance. After we send this, we capture the record ID and save it to the message ID variable. Then the message ID is stringified and we receive confirmation of the message and have the option to click on the refresh button. If the user clicks on the refresh button, the message ID is processed. The semicolons are replaced with empty strings because we need the exact record ID to get the specific row of the message. After clicking the refresh button, we check if our agent has responded by capturing the response.fields from the JSON and saving it to data variable. The data is stringified and then we have another logic with AI prompt, which analyzes the JSON. It's a basic prompt. If you see the key answer, then output yes, and if not, then answer no. If the answer is no, because the agent is still typing and the answer column is empty, then it goes to the else path. And we get the message live agent is typing. And we can click on refresh button again. But if there is a message, it goes to the yes path, where we create a JSON data variable. We pass data, extract the answer from the JSON data, and then display the data to the user. There is one other thing when, for example, instead of clicking on the refresh button, the user decides to write an additional message. The system is listening for other intents and then it goes to trigger where it sends another message. And that is all. Thanks for listening. It was just a side little fun project that I did, something to spark creativity in your builds. See you in the next video.